what a great day to sew something wonderful. I'm Kia with Kia B, and I'm so excited to be back with you today. If I'm by myself, that means I'm doing an unboxing, and I'm really excited about it. Today, I get to show you the Creative Notions box for this month, and y'all, I'm so excited. I always say box because Vicki does such a phenomenal job on really making like the best choices for shipping, the best choices for what goes inside of it. And so they typically come in bags, so they're not boxes at all. And that's just such a great thing for her and for her business and for us as consumers that, you know, we don't have the extra boxes and things like that. So when I opened this month's, I could not wait to share it with you because you guys, it comes in a project bag. Like, she hand makes things every single month to be included. And a project bag is the one that we got this month. And it comes with like the spool fabric. I just love it so much. And it has a great handle. And I am so excited. This thing is packed full. So I just could not wait to film this. And I wanted to do it right away. So we got this in the mail yesterday. And I was like, I have to film this tomorrow because I want to see what's inside of it. So let's get it open. So Creative Notions is made by Vicki and her lovely family. They always put so much time and effort into the box, and she always puts so much love into making the boxes. So the very first thing I pull out, it says scatter seeds of kindness. And you guys know I talk about this on my channel all the time about the power that your words have on social media and how we just really need to be spreading kindness. And so, okay, this had our Zappy dot in it. Look how pretty that, I'm trying not to get the glare, but look how pretty that is. Beautiful. I love this. So this is Amanda Murphy Stardust Blue. And so that came inside of that little envelope. Adorable. So you know that she made this envelope, and that alone is just so cute. Okay, this is 12 plywood decorative bug buttons, washable. Look at those little bees and the ladybugs. Oh my goodness. So cute. So there are 12 of those in there. All right. And then we have 7 yards of jumbo rickrack from Sugar and Spice Textiles. 7 yards. That is a lot, and I love it. It is a beautiful purple color. So pretty. All right, Maker's Planner Washi Tape. Okay, so as you guys have seen, and I don't have mine sitting right here anymore, but as you guys have seen, we have been getting things to add into our Maker's Planner that we received a few months ago. And so we've gotten sticker packs, we have gotten the little card inserts for the planner itself, for the page protectors that are in there. And so this month we got washi tape. So this has... Cool. This has 1/4 inch seam washi tape. This, and then it has like quilting. Let's see. Quilt in days that end in Y. Cute. Quilting. It's not just a craft, it's therapy. Let's see. Thread that binds us. Oh, love is the thread that binds us. So look at this, guys. This is so cute. Look at that washi, I almost said fabric. Look at that washi tape. So adorable. And this again is from Sugar and Spice Studios. Super adorable. All right, our little treat this month looks like marshmallows. Cute. She always puts a little treat in there. I love that. That's so sweet. Okay. Oh my word. Look at this ladybug fabric. Are you joking? That is so cute and spring-like. And then on this side, it is butterflies. And look at the new tape she's gotten. She didn't have this ribbon before, and it's super pretty and colorful. I love that. All right, and then we have 2 more fabric bundles. So this is called Cotton Rainbow Solids Fat Quarter Bundle. There are 5 in here, and look at those colors. Those are really true on the picture, too, or on the camera. That yellow is that bright. So we've got yellow, orange, pink, red, and brown. And then in this bundle, we have 5 more fat quarters that are the green, bright blue, and 2 Is that 2 colors of purple? No, I think that's more of a royal blue color and gray. So look at all that fabric, you guys. 2 fat quarter bundles plus these 2 extra cuts. I mean, are you joking? And look how well they all go together. Oh my, this bag is unbelievably worth it, you guys. Okay, and then we always get a recipe. So this is the recipe. It is carrot cookies, which seems super, super yummy. All right, then this is the April 2020 subscription, Making Memories 1 Stitch at a Time. The value of this box is $64.50. All right, so our beautiful fabric this month was made for Creative Notions by Sugar and Spice Textiles. I think I said Sugar and Spice Studios earlier. It's Sugar and Spice Textiles. So then we've got the project bags. We've got the Zappy Dot, the Jumbo Rickrack. Announcing our UFO challenge. Until the end of July, let's finish as many UFOs as possible and post them to the Creative Notions group page. In August, which is Creative Notions' birthday, they'll have a big celebration with lots of prizes. Names are being collected and put in a jar. When August rolls around, we will start drawing names of winners. There will be many winners with one grand prize winner winning a sewing machine. What? That's awesome. That's so cool. And then they gave us a coupon code for their website for subscribers. So that's really, really cool. So the winning recipe this month was carrot cookies from Ronnie Clark. So you can submit recipes and she will choose one each month to be printed on the card and sent out with the box. Okay, here's our pattern this time. She always does a beautiful job printing the patterns, and they always come in plastic bags and they're just so nice. So, and they're on really heavy paper. As y'all know, if you watch one of our floss shows, I don't have it sitting right here. I made the bag from last month's box or bag. I love it so, so much. And as I was going through the pattern, the paper that she uses is so heavyweight and nice. So this is the quilt, and that's what that jumbo rickrack is for. It goes around the border of this. I love that. The butterflies and the flowers, that is so spring-like and gorgeous. This is just like a bag of spring, and I love it so much. It's so great. Okay, so, and then here is the inside of our project bag. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. All the little quilting terms, jelly roll. What else? Jelly roll, foundation piecing, quilting, friendship quilt, shadow applique, crazy quilt, grain, fusibles, fat quarter patchwork. That is so pretty. So I get to use this for a bunch of different things. I might actually just keep this project in there so I don't lose it all and I keep it all together, because that quilt would be so gorgeous for like a new baby girl who's being born in the spring, or oh my gosh, just so many different things. So let me just go over this one more time. So we've got the jumbo rickrack. We have 2 fat quarter bundles. Super adorable. These I saw make the corners of the quilt and then the cornerstones that are within the quilt, which are so great. We got our wooden beads, and we got our Zappy Dot and our washi tape that goes along with our planner. And then we got our little marshmallow treat for this month. So what was your favorite thing about this box? I don't know that I can pinpoint one thing, because they are all so stinking cute. So let me know down below what your favorite thing is. And you guys, this is, if you have not considered buying a subscription for Creative Notions, it's so worth it. And she really does such an amazing job. So again, thank you so much for joining us in the Hive today. And we hope that you have a great week. Bye.